This is the ultimate budget by Framework. One planner to run your entire financial life. Let me show you around. This is the Planner tab, or in other words, your Setup tab. Budget solo or with a partner. Lay down your details and the whole planner builds itself around your numbers. Intuitive and frictionless, it's super easy to use. The Budget tab. This is where you see exactly where you stand based on any period you choose. Every number calculated automatically. The Log tab. Life throws up surprises. A coffee, a repair, a last-minute gift. Enter those here and every part of your planner updates automatically. The Debt tab. A full debt payoff plan, built right in. Choose any payoff method you prefer, see your debt-free date instantly, and track up to 50 debts. The Savings tab. See all the things you're saving for in one view. Satisfying progress visuals give you a fun way to gamify your savings goals. The Annual tab. Step back and see your entire year. What came in, what went out, and what you kept. Breakdowns month by month, fully automated. The No Spend tab. Track your no-spend days and build the longest streak you can. This tab makes staying on top of your money into a game that keeps you motivated. The Calendar tab. Every month, laid out for you. Every bill and payment lands on its own date, so you're always one step ahead of upcoming payments and in total control of your money moves. Prefer the 50-30-20 method? It's built in. Sort your spending into needs, wants and future, and see exactly how you're tracking on any split you choose. The Adjust tab. Plans change all the time. A late paycheck, a bigger bill, a cancelled subscription. Adjust any of them in seconds, and the whole planner updates to match. The Net Worth tab. See everything you own, minus everything you owe. You can add extras the planner doesn't know about too. A house, a car, or jewellery. That's the ultimate budget by Framework. The most frictionless way to manage your money. Effortless control over your finances, made for beginners. Thanks for checking us out.